Hello everyone. Guys, welcome back to my channel, Decode Unknowns. I appreciate everyone watching our videos, or if you haven't, so please go and watch it now. Thanks a lot to all viewers for liking, commenting, subscribing and sharing. It's a pleasure to bring you our 7th video today. Also, don't forget to watch the DU bonus at the end of the video. Also, we are on Twitter and Facebook as well, interacting with our lovely fans. Today the video is short because I didn't find a lot of anomalies from Sol 601 to Sol 700, so sit back and enjoy the wild ride into the red planet, Mars. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. You guys are awesome. So let's get started. So first we'll start it off from Sol 610, and we go to the timestamp 2327 to the mass count. So we go to mass count right here, and then we go to 232757, 2327. So it's right here, 57. So you go to this image right here. Hope it opens. Oh yeah, here we go. So we go here, click on the image right here. So there's not lots to look for. Yes. So right here, this is what I want to show you. So over here, you see this. So there's a stone over here, and then there's a four-legged animal. It seems like hidden, half of it back here, behind the stone, and then half of it here. So grab the magic pen here, and start drawing it. So there's a leg over here, right, like this, and then there's another one like that, right? And then there's this, so right here. Eye seems like to be right here. And then that's the rock. Right here. Over here, that's a rock, right? But over here, see some kind of figure here. Over here. Right there. So I don't know if it's kind of this whole thing is the animal, or I don't know what it is, but that's what it seems like. Okay, so that's number one. So in the same image I see something else as well, so let's go to that. Close this. Come on, buddy. Okay, right here. So this one over here, this one. See this one right here? See this right here? And then this seems like a cave kinda, and then this piled up with something on the top. So let's try to draw it here. Okay, so this is one object kinda with a flat surface, right? There's a hole right here, and then this right here. This ends up right here, right? Like this. And then this one here seems like a road kind of thing. And then this seems like a cave, right? And then there's another cave entrance right here, right? And then this right here, it's like something on top of it. Right here. Right here. Right? Like this. See that? So this is the entrance right here, right? And then another entrance right here. And this, I don't know what kind of stuff is over here. It's complete, like some kind of structure over here, right? So then we go to our next one. Guys, don't forget to watch at the end of the video. Keep reminding people, because some people just skip it to the, like, just to watch it quickly. There's always a thing at the end. Right. So then next one we go to 620, and 620 we go to masked cam, and then we go to masked cam right, and the timestamp over there is 6:27:47. Right here. There's not a loss in this image right here, but something which is really strange. Okay, so first of all, this one right here. Okay, see this right here? Seems like a huge timber to me, like a wooden cut or wood piece, whatever you call it. But I'll start drawing it with the magic pen here. Okay, so round it here. Now this over here seems like it's broken, like some kind of, I don't know if it's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna draw it, or I'll try my best, right? And then that's the shadow, right? Look at that. Like, look at the other rocks, stones, whatever, and look at the shape of this one here, right? But that's one. And then another big thing I found strange in this image is right here. This one right here. See this one, like in this here, like the sand is nothing like rocky or rock or something, but if you look at this corner here, it seems like something tumbled or dropped or whatever, or dropped in or whatever. And so let me grab the magic pen here, right? So like this is the shadow, right here, and then that's the dune, right? But look at this right here. It's like that, like that, like that, right? We just dug in, and that's the shadow, right? And that's the dune itself, right? Right here, that's the dune, right here. It's just the shape it makes, right? Right here. And then also over here, this is something hidden on this. So something right there, guys. That's the shadow of that thing, right? This. So that's that. And then the last one, yeah, I guess that's all for Soul 600 to Soul 700. I know it's kind of discouraging, but what to do? I can't make up things, right? Whatever I find. But the last one, it's time for do bonus now. So we're done with the regular stuff. Now it's gonna be do bonus. So guys, remember our video number 4, I believe. There was for Soul 470, where it was written alien. You guys can go and watch that. It says on the thumbnail, the video screenshot on the YouTube too, alien written. So one of the user, I believe it was net something net, so they suggested us that they could see something different. So let's go right into Soul 470. That's gonna be our 2 bonus today. So we'll go to mass cam. Remember guys, this is already done in video before, but the timestamp on this one is gonna be 3:12:34 UTC. So 3:12:34 UTC. There you go, guys. There you have it, right there. So in this image, we're gonna visit back and show you what they meant by they seeing something else. I saw alien, they saw something else, and let me tell you who it was who suggested us that they see something different. So it was Knit with Joy. They said at 8:13 in that video, and the video is episode 5, or video number 5. They said they see at 8:13 they see ice. They said at 8:13 I see die instead, right? So we'll revisit the image right here and see what's going on. So Knit with Joy, shout out to you. So I did revisit that, and what I saw was right here. Let's grab the magic pen. So I see D over here, and guys, this is really elaborated writing, very prominent, like doubles, right? Like kinda calligraphed, I guess it's called. That's I here. That's E. Right? And then I saw alien, so that was the N in alien. But now when I revisit it, so it said something different. Okay, so let's go here, right? And then over here I see W, guys. So this is what it is. Die now. She says she saw die, but now revisiting, I saw die now. Okay guys, that's it for today. This video number 7. And thanks a lot. Once again, a reminder, shout out to everyone. Thanks a lot. And a reminder, please do like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos. And I hope you all enjoy it. See you next time. Take care and bye for now.